Okay, so let's continue our discussion. For this one, I'm going to show you how you can convert other base to decimal number system. That means octal to decimal, binary to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so on the steps that you're going to take in order for you to convert other base to a decimal number system, all you need to do is express the number in expanded form where each digit is multiplied by the base raised to the power of its position, and then sum up the result obtained from the multiplication. So let us try. Let's try an example. Example, I'm going to give you an octal number and then convert it to decimal. So let's try octal to decimal. So the number decimal will just say na naakay number na 228. This is 8 and then convert it into des base 10. Okay? So very important lang guys that you need to take note on the digits, the position of the digit, and then ang base nga imong gusto i-convert. Okay? So for this one, let us say 2 to 8. No? Asa unsa is equivalent to what is the position of this one and how are you going to get the position? So very easy lang. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, etc. etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Muna yung position, no? So that is the position of your number. And then after that one, inaniyon lang nimo sila, expand lang nimo siya into um expand lang nimo ang imong ano, do it in expanded form. So, kuhaon nimo nga digit 2, start na diri 2, and then multiply nimo siya sa base kung unsa nga base nimo siya i-convert, no? So since octal man siya, that means 8 atong i-multiply sa iya. So inani ang formula niya, no? 2 kani nga digit multiply di mo sa 8 iya ring position. So what's the position? It's 2 times 8 to the 2. Addin ka, okay, you can add parenthesis kung dili para dili kay ka malibog, no? And then next is the digits. Digit 2 multiplied nimo into 8 getting position, that is 1, no? And then plus 8 plus 8 getting position 0. Okay? And then after that one, equals na para masayon. 2 times 8 to the 2. 8 to the power of 2. Pila man. So 8 to the power of 2 is equal to 64, right? 64 plus 8 to the 1 is of course 8, no? 2 times 8 plus 8 plus 8 to the 0. Always remember 8 to the 0, 2 to the 0, anything power 0, that is 1, no? That is 1. Wait, this is multiply. Masayop ta. Multiplication na. 8 times 1. So, napangit na nung natong 1. Pero sagda lang. Okay rin na siya. So, 2 times 64. Pila man. That is 1 to 8. So, 1 to 8 plus 2 times 8. That is, of course, 16. Plus 8 times 1. That is 8. So, the answer now is 1 to 8 plus 16 plus 8. That's 152. Okay, 152 base 10. So your 228 octal is 152. Oh, sorry. Base 10. So easy na kayo, no? Pretty easy. Erase. Okay, another example. Let us say same nagyapon kung saan nasa atang presentation 5, 6, 7 and then equal to octal. Decimal, sorry. Octal. So position 0, 1, 2, no? That is equal to 5, times 8 to the 2 plus the digit 6 times 8 to the 1 plus. Kani siya, sure na siya nga. Ano no, 8 times 7, 7 times 8 to the 0 or 7 times 1 is 7. So, pwede na to siya dira. 7, no? Because 8 to the 0 is 1, no? So, 7, 1 times 7 is 7. Okay. 5 times 8 to the 2 or 8 times 2 is 8 times 8 is 64, right? 8 to the 2 is 64. So 64 times 5. Shortcut na lang na to, no? That is 320. Okay? So I hope nasabtan ninyo. Plus 6 times 8 to the 1. 6 times 8. That is 48. And then plus 7. So 320 plus 48 plus 7 is equal to 375. 375 octal. Okay? So pretty basic, no? So 375 decimal. So that is how you are going to convert the octal to decimal. How about hexadecimal? Hex to decimal. Okay, how about this one? So gaganin niya itong gigamit is 8. So kani siya, syempre hex 16, di ba? So let us say for example, you have a number 12116. So how are you going to do this one? How are you going to convert? Very easy lang, no? Position gapon 0, 1, 2, no? Muna yung position. So let's convert. 1 times 16. Okay, ganina 8 man to, no? Because octal man. Octal. So karon 16 because hex. Position dayon niya. 0, 1, and 2, no? So this one, 2. Okay? Plus 2 ang digits. 2 times 16 to the 1. Plus, of course, same na Japon ganina na 8 to the 0 is 1, 16 to the 0 is 1, no? So 1 man imong digit diya, multiply na nimo siya into 16 to the 0, that is ano 1 na siya. Okay? So 1 times 16 to the 16 power of 2, pila man? 16 times 16. That's 256. So pwede na kaana 256 kay 1 times 16 to the power of 2, 256. Din na to sulod si 1 times, no? Plus kani 16 to the 1. That's 2 times 16, no? 16 to the 1 is 16 times 2, that is 32. Okay? Plus 1 times 16 to the 0, always 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. I hope na nag-gets, no? So 256 plus 32 plus 1 is equal to 289. So 289 base 10. So 121 hex is equal to 229 base 10. Okay, another example. How about hexadecimal A, B, C? And then 16 to decimal base 10. Isa na kayo. What is A? A is 10. B is 11 and C is 12. So let's continue with our calculation. So this one is 10 times 16. Pila yung position? We have 0, 1, 2. So 16 to the 2 plus B is 11. 11 times 16 to the 1, right? And then plus C, 12. 12 times 16 to the 0 or 1. So, always na siya na 1 gina ang imong answer diya sa 16 power of 0. Or any number power of 0 is 1. So, 10 times 16 to the 2. 16 times 16 is 256, right? 16 to the power of 2, 256 multiplied by 10 times 10. That is 2560. 2560 plus 16 to the 1. That is 16 times 11. Ilaman, 16 times 11 is 176. Okay? And then plus 10 ka, 12 times 1, 16 to the 0 is always 12. So the answer for ABC, hexadecimal ABC, 2560 plus 176 plus 12. So that is 2748 base 10. So 2748 base 10. Okay? Nakuha? So yun, nakuha, no? Ganina octal, karon hexadecimal. Next, gani, binary. We'll proceed now on your binary to decimal. How can you convert this one to decimal? This. Let us say, for example, you have a number 1101. Again, binary is 2 digits, no? So how to get? Same lang yapon ang process. You have done to there is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 1 times 2 to the 3 plus 1 times 2 to the 2 plus 1, 0 times 2 to the 1 plus 1 times 2 to the 0. Okay? So, anything that multiplied to 0 is 0. So, dili na mo na pilon. 1 times 2 to the 3. What is 2 to the 3? 2 times 2. 4 times 2, 8. No? So, that's 1 times 2 to the 3 is 8. Plus 1 times 2 to the 2. 2 to the 2. 2 to the power of 2. That's 4. So, 1 times 4, that's 4. And 2 to the power of 0, again, it's 1. So 1 times 1, that is 1. So the answer is 13 decimal. So 8 plus 9, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, so 1101 is equivalent to 13 decimal. Or actually, na shortcut ani guys. Let us say, for example, I'm going to give you 11001 kada lang. And so on and so forth. So, in order for to convert this into this, inani rin yung hinumdumon, no? Just put, same na magyapon ng calculation, ano, shortcut lang ni siya. Always start with 1. This one is 2. This one is 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. This one is 16. This one is 32. This is how you do the shortcut, no? 1 times 2. 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32. Pag napag ka additional dire, number, 32 times 2, 64. And then times 2, times 2, 64, times 2 is 128, no? Okay, so 128. Ano lang, so for example, nakay 11110011. So kana na lang ang example. In order for it to convert into this, imo na siyang ipang-add ang naa mga 1, no? Ang 0, imo na siyang i-cancel. Cancel na nimo. Ang imong i-add is 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1. No? So, kana rin mong ipang-add. So, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 3, that's 247 base 10. Okay? Let's say, for example, another example. We have 110. So, 110 binary is equivalent to, is equal to, pila man siya sa decimal. You have 0, I mean 1. You have 1, 2, 4. Wala na nimo. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is 6 decimal. So shortcut na siya. Another example, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Cross out na rin mo ng mga 0. You have 32 plus 4 plus 1. So hinundo mo na nimo kanilang 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. So 32 plus 4, that's 36 plus 1, 37. No? 37 base 10. So that's it. Pretty basic for anything ay mong i-convert into decimal. Sakto ba itong kuan? This one is from the previous samples. So hex to dex. This one is octal to des. Des to hex. Okay. And then binary to decimal. I think that's all for a number system to decimal. Okay. So next video ng akong button is we're going to convert like octal to hexadecimal, binary to hexadecimal, binary to octal, etc. etc. So we are now done with decimal to any number system and then any number system to decimal. So I'm going to create another video for the other conversion. So I hope that's nakuha ninyo, no? Pretty easy lang ang pag-convert.